Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed higher on Tuesday on news that the U.S. is in talks with China to settle the trade conflict. Shares in capital goods, real estate and pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, they ended in the green. On the economic docket, personal income increasing by 0.4% in June, meeting the estimate compared to 0.4% a month ago, while personal spending also increased by 0.4%, meeting the expectation. Finally, the Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index increased to 127.4 in July, above the last read of 126. Advancers ahead of decliners, 72% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Apple announcing a third quarter adjusted EPS of $2.34 versus $1.66 a year ago on revenue of $53.3 billion. iPhone units sold increased by 1% year over year to 41.3 million, and iPad units sold also grew by 1% year over year to 11.5 million. IBM reported that the SEC closed its investigation into how IBM recognizes revenue in its financial reports without further action, while turning overseas Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 0.86%, the Hang Seng down 0.85%, China's CSI 300 down 0.2%, and South Korea's Kospi up just about 0.5%. European markets consolidating and U.S. futures calling for a mixed start. Now, in terms of expectations today, automatic data processing, ADP, fourth quarter EPS seen at 90 cents on sales of approximately $3.3 billion, while T-Mobile US second quarter EPS seen at 85 cents on sales of approximately $10.6 billion. Tesla Motors second quarter LPS seen at $2.91, while on the economic front in the morning we have the July ADP employment change figures, and we also have U.S. manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing data, while in the afternoon we have the FOMC rate decision. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees a rebound expected, while the Nasdaq sees a bullish bias, and that's in focus. The relative strength index lacks downward momentum, and long positions above 71.6650 are favored, with targets at 73.0850 and 73.65 in extension. The Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish.